Hello, my Marcella's Way family. Welcome back to Marcella's Way. So as you saw from the title, today's video is going to be a new series on sublimation. As you saw from my previous videos, I was diving into vinyls and how to use the Silhouette Cameo 4, and I wanted to make sure that I kind of gave you guys a different tool to work with. Some of you guys may not do vinyl, maybe you guys do sublimation. So we are going to start a series on sublimation. First off, what exactly is sublimation? Sublimation is basically taking a specific type of dye that's heat activated, and you use a printer that has sublimation ink in it, and then you put this special paper through. The printer prints the ink onto the paper, and then you take the paper and you heat press it onto, most of the time, polyester garments, because it takes better with that. You can do cotton, but it's best to do polyester. I'll get to that in a little bit. But you take the paper and you put face down on the garment, and then you heat press it, and then the ink transfers from the paper onto the garment. Now, the good thing about sublimation is if you use polyester, the ink can last as long or longer than the garment itself. So it's, a lot of people use sublimation for designs that they don't want to come off, or a lot of times sublimation is used for like jerseys, soccer jerseys, that type of thing. If you see shirts that have the all over print on it, a lot of the times that's sublimation. You definitely can't beat the color vibrance of sublimation. Now I'm going to show you guys what a sublimation printer looks like, just to give you a basic idea, okay? Okay, you guys, so this here is the Epson 7710. I didn't tell you to do nothing. Now, this is the printer that I used when I first started sublimation. I didn't really want to spend too much on it, so I bought this one. This one does pretty good. I'll do a review on this one specifically. I have positive and negative reviews on it, but anyway, it does the trick though. Either way, I mean, it does the trick. The colors are extremely vibrant, and I'm also going to show you guys what a sublimation t-shirt looks like. I'm also going to show you what a sheet of sublimation paper looks like. Okay, so this would be considered a sublimation tee, okay? Now, as you see, the colors are extremely vibrant. It does not have a film on it at all. It's into the garment of the shirt. Since I have this, you guys don't forget, the website has launched, www.minitingzcustoms.com. Go check that out. It has a lot of different shirt designs. It has practice kits. I will be doing a sublimation practice kit soon. Now also, this here, this is actually 11 by 17 paper. A lot of the times you'll probably start off with a regular 8.5 by 11, but this is sublimation paper. Most sublimation papers have a it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of soft on the top. I can't really describe what the feeling is, but this does not separate. This is not the type of paper that separates the backing from the front. This actually is just a dye transfer sheet. So, you know, you cannot use this as a heat transfer paper. It will not work the same. This is totally different paper. I know you'll be tempted because sublimation paper actually is cheaper than heat transfer paper, but you just can't switch it out. It just is what it is. So this is sublimation paper, and this brand is A-Sub. I will be doing a review on the A-Sub paper, so stay tuned for that. So since this is a series on sublimation, and this is the first video on sublimation, I'm going to upload a second video, okay? Just for you guys, because I want to make sure that I am giving you guys as much information as I can to get you started. So you guys stay tuned for 2 uploads. 2. If you have any questions about sublimation, make sure you comment down below, and make sure you go over to my Instagram page. I answer all DMs, I answer all comments, so I love to get interactive with you guys. I had so much fun doing intro to sublimation here, and you guys, as usual, I have my way, so I can inspire you to have a your way.